Just want to drive down this road kind of fast for the video, but we can't. Welcome back, everybody. Today I have the pleasure of driving one of my favorite cars on the planet. It's a 2007 GT3 RS. Now the RS is kind of the trackiest, is that even a word? Version of the GT3. This car has just over 8,000 miles on it and will be up for sale on our website. If you're watching this video, it's already available. Go to classiccarstudio.com. Now, in the world of cars, people usually think that newer is better, but I would beg to differ. The new GT3 RS is also pure magic, just like this car, but this version of the car offers a level of driver engagement that is hard to find. It is so mechanical and pure feeling. It is an absolute blast to drive. Whereas the newer GT3 RS, the performance is there. It's an absolute blast to drive, but it just doesn't feel this engaging. So many new cars feel very much like you're being assisted by all these different systems, but not on this car. The seating position is wonderful. Your hand falls right to the shifter. No weird reaching. I mean, it was really designed around, this car was designed around the driver. Your hand falls directly on the shifter. Your hands are firmly on the wheel. And it just begs to be driven fast. These cars came with 415 horsepower from the factory. The 3.6 liter engine revs to 8,400 RPM, and this little motor just absolutely sings. It is naturally aspirated and as pure as you're going to find in a sports car. I'm a big fan of the old air-cooled 911s. I think this car offers the feel of those cars while being oh so much better. The massive carbon ceramic brakes provide amazing braking, and if you've ever been on the track in one of these cars, you probably want to go back, and if you haven't been, get a ride immediately. Now, while the steering feels a little heavy at 2 or 3 miles an hour, it has the most engaging feel at speed. The brakes have awesome feel as well. handling on this car is absolutely incredible. And you get a lot of feedback, which is exactly what you want in a car like this. In terms of the perfect driver's car, the GT3 RS offers the perfect blend of modern electronics and such a pure mechanical feel. For more information on this car, don't forget to check out our website. It's www.classiccarstudio.com. There's a ton of pictures on there. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.